Stop scrolling. This is the not another noise fields finance video. This is about the $5 trillion shift, the biggest energy pivot of the last century, and the only shift that will decide if your portfolio succeeds, falls over the next decade. Forget oil and gas. I am talking about two metals that are quickly building the future, and they are copper and lithium. These are commodities. They are the new strategic gold, and that projected to jump 400% by 2030, driven by the EV revolution, and the supply simple cannot keep up. You have a chance right now to secure a pieces of these unprecedented wealth transfer. If you missed out on the tech boom of the 90s, do not miss these. Today on the Alpha Investor, I am revealing the 3 US listed stock and one strategic ETF positioned to explode as the world power grid changes forever. Let's dive in. The demand and supply crunch. The core thesis for this investment is simple. Exploding demands meet crippling supply. First, let's look at the numbers. Global electric vehicle sales were around 14 million in 2024. Projections show that number cloud hit 60 million by 2030. That is the near 400% surge in the demand for the core ingredients. The lithium factor. A single EV battery needs an average of 8 kilograms of lithium. This 8 kg demand is now multiplying by millions every year. New supply cannot just turn on overnight. Building a new lithium mine takes 5 to 8 years. The copper factor. Copper is the silent winner. A conventional internal combustion engine car uses about 20 kilograms of copper. An electric vehicle, whether a bus or a truck, uses up to 400 kilograms. Copper is also vital for the entire grid modernization, linking up solar and wind farms to homes. We are facing an inevitable supply crunch. Pieces of these metals must rise, and the companies that own the reserves will see generational profits. The 3 must own US listed stocks. To truly capture the alpha from this shift, you need to own the mining companies. Here are my 3 high conviction picks, all listed on US exchanges. Albemarle, ALB. This is the undisputed king of the lithium. ALB is the blue chip, established player with global operations. They have the scale and the contacts to handle massive demand. When lithium prices spike, ALB is often the first to benefit. This is your foundation stock. Freeport McMoran, FCX. This is one of the world's largest and most diversified copper mining giants. FCX owns massive copper reserves, particularly in Indonesia. As global infrastructure upgrade accelerate, FCX is perfectly positioned. SQM, based in Chile. SQM is the major producer of lithium and specialty chemicals. While it can be more volatile than Albemarle, it offers higher upside. This is your higher risk, higher rewards option. Passive risk management. Not every investor wants the risk of backing individual stocks. If you prefer broad, passive exposure, I recommended on strategic ETF. Global X Lithium and Battery Tech ETF provides exposure to the entire lithium and battery ecosystem. It's a diversified way to play the $5 trillion shift. To sum it up, the shift is real. The demand is unstoppable. Supply is constrained. Don't just watch this wealth transfer happen. Participate in it. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these 3 stocks are you buying first. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the Next analysis.